What's up with Martinator? Because I'm going to win this race! I told him to calm down, those rookies! This time I won't lose any time! This weekend I'm ready with new toys! I won't be overtaken again at the last minute! But you haven't seen my overtake, Joan, eh? Are you sure? And this is only the beginning! I must wash my back now! We improve a lot! Not enough to beat me, Let's see what I can get! Woohoo! What a prize! Yay! I have to overtake him before the main straight! How cute! What? I will take that from you! You want to overtake me now? Are you sure? This time I won't need! Gotcha! That was for saving fuel. This is the good one. Yay! Yeah, this year will be mine. We'll see about that. No one can face Ducati's top speed. That's normal. He's a world champion. Oh, what's not normal is my pace now. Yoo-hoo! Another Ducati behind. Oh no! If your problem is that I'm behind, then I'll go ahead of you. I hate the straights. Quite hard to find a turn in MiniBikers. Oh, and another Ducati behind. You know what that means? I will help you, mate. How you dare to touch a gun? Yeah? This time I will avoid battles. Yay! I'm starting to get used to the bike. And I think I can go even faster. What the mini? You're bringing MiniBikers to a new level. Oh yeah, small detail and no one will see the difference. Today will be the resurrection of El Diablo. Good race, boy, but now it's my time. Maybe I'm a rookie, but I can win too. I have powers too. Burn, baby, burn. I feel strong again. Hello has the power to catch Fabio. If you want, I can show you how to catch him. Oh, go ahead and show me, I can't believe that this is still working with all rookies. Yeah, and El Diablo is back! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, my first podium! They had so much fun today. I want to join now. I'm ready, Doc. What a deja vu from 2020. Yeah, the Cervera soldier is ready for action. Watch out, I'm coming stronger than never before.
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. You will see exclusive content like special comics and avatars. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to press the like button and leave us a comment. If you haven't done, support us on Patreon and click the subscribe button. See you on the next Grand Prix!